Hi there, I'm Lisa and today I am scrapbooking with my June Cocoa Daisy kit. It's very seasidey themed. Now I've got lots of bits and pieces here from the kit. I've got the stencil, some alphabets, die cut stickers, enamel dots, puffy stickers. I've got the papers here, all kinds of things. I've also got the mist and ink pad, and I've got the washi tape. I have to say I love every single kit, but the paler kits are a challenge for me. As you know, if you follow me, I like my bright colours. So this kind of thing, it's always a challenge for me to bring out the brightness, which is what I'm really attracted to when I create. I have laid out some bits and pieces here earlier on. I was having a bit of a play, so I know kind of what I want to do. I've got the background here. I love this wood effect paper. It's so nice. I've got some white 12 by 12 that I've cut down. I took 5 centimeters off two sides, vellum over the top because it kind of gives me that wishy-washy, dreamy kind of look. I've taken some couple of the journal tags and papers from the pocket kit, and I've printed off our photos. Now, we're not a terribly beachy family, if I'm really honest. We do love the beach, but we do tend to prefer to go in the winter months. My kids have never really enjoyed playing in the sand, but I've got lots of photos from Typhoon Lagoon when we went to the water park at Disney, so these will be perfect for the kit. There's always ways of finding ways to use a kit. If it is themed that it's maybe not to your taste or not suited to your photos, there's always ways around things. So today I'm going to scrapbook these photos, and the pinks and the blues match perfectly, so I'm really happy with that. So I've got a messy area set up. I've moved everything else to the side. I'm going to create some kind of waves on my page. These were the two pieces of paper left over from the 12 by 12 when I cut the white cardstock down. I'm going to use a scalloped edge border stamp to cut these out and then try the misting on the white cardstock. It may look awful, it may not work, but sometimes it's all about playing. It is only paper at the end of the day. If I really don't like it, I can make another one. So I'm just going to cut these out. I love the EK Success punches. To me, I think they're my favourite punches. They always work well. They are such a clean punch all the time. Many other punches I can't get on with, if I'm totally honest, but these are always great. I'm all ready for my misting. I've laid one of the edges here over the white cardstock. Now you really need to make sure you cover up, otherwise what happens is if I mist, I will end up with an ugly line, which I really don't want. I literally just want that edge. So let's pop that in place. Haven't used this mist before, so hopefully it will look nice. And I also want to get the card, as I'm planning to use that as well. Let's see how that looks. Ta-da! I like that. And then I've got this that I could use as well. So let's move this away, and I'm going to give these a dry with my heat gun. So this has come out really well. I'm really pleased with that, and I like that colour, the brighter contrast. I can now lay this over the top, and I'm going to concentrate now on layering up. So the layouts come together quite quickly. I've got the trim here. I obviously don't need to put it all the way to the edge. I only want to see a little bit, so I'm going to cut it in pieces and just poke it. Actually, I don't need that there. Let's take that out. I'm going to poke it either end like that. And there it is. That's that one strip all cut up, and that's given me a nice amount of contrast. I'm really happy with that. I'm just playing with some of the die cuts, now from the kit, and I'm going to pop these in a few places. So that is my layout with all the stickers and the puffy bits. Now this was a day that we spent at Typhoon Lagoon, that's Disney's water park, with another family. These are really close family friends of ours, and I was going to do some journaling, which I was going to pop in this tag and have it as some hidden journaling. So I might do the title there and the hidden journaling on the back. So I've done my journaling on the back, and now I tell you what would be quite nice actually, to have something to pull up the tag. If I can make something with the washi. Let's turn the washi into ribbon and see how that works. I think if I, oh, that doesn't tear, I need to cut that. Let's stick 2 pieces of washi together so I lose the stickiness. That's easier said than done. Okay, it's kind of worked. And then that's what I'm going to do, and then staple that on the top. I could cut it down, shall I? There we go, and I've got my journal tag on the back. I do like a bit of hidden journaling. Sometimes you don't always want all your journaling on display. And then I'm going to have Adventure Time across the top, and I was going to have with friends on this day. So I've got this alphabet set from the main kit. So I think I might find out the letters, lay them there, and actually I might have it sticking over the top. So I've got the word friends, and I am going to change the colour of the wording with the Cocoa Daisy ink pad. So I've got my word there, it's almost the same colour as the background, and I'm just going to stamp over the top to get me my nice bright contrasting colour that I want. Doesn't have to be perfect, and to be honest I don't want it to be perfect, I want it to look imperfect, and actually I prefer it when it looks more like that than when it's too soaked. There you have it. These will need to dry for a moment, and I can stick them on my page. I've used these letters from the kit as well to put with. I think I might centralise them actually. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't think I will. I think I'll leave it as it is. I'm going to just stick the base of each word, letter even, on there. So it's only the bottom bit that's attached. And I've added up ending the friends bit there. So you've got Adventure Time with friends on this day. And this then pulls out. And that is my finished page. It's ended up being as bright as I wanted it to be. I might actually add some pink splashes. I've got some pink distress stain here. Actually, do you know what I might do? I might just add a little bit of that. Yeah, that looks nice. So it's not overly obvious, but it just adds a little bit more colour. It's like a coral stencil. So that's the end of my video. That's my layout. I hope you've enjoyed watching this today. There's always ways, if a kit or a paper collection isn't quite to your #1 colour choice or theme, there's always ways around it, and I'm really pleased with this layout. Thank you so much for watching today. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, or if you're a scrapbooker. 12 by 12 seems to be a little bit on the slow at the moment. Most people are leaning towards the Traveller's Notebook and the journaling side. Let me know if you are still a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, if these videos still appeal to you, if you are enjoying them, just so I know to continue, and let me know what kind of memory keeping you like to do. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.